Welcome back, children. In our civics period, lesson 1, understanding diversity. Let us see what is diversity. Diversity is all those differences that make us unique, including color, language, nationality, gender, religion, age, physical and mental ability. What diversity adds to our lives? Just imagine that you all had to stay in a particular place for a long time and you had to eat the same kind of food every day, wear same kind of clothes every day. Even the color of the clothes is same. How your life would have been? Would have been very interesting? Of course not. It would have been very, very boring to eat same kind of food and look at the same color all around. So this is what diversity adds to our life. It makes our life interesting because now we all are surrounded by different people who speak different language, celebrate different festivals, eat different kind of food, and all this makes our life colorful and lively. Even the story writers wouldn't have told us different interesting stories if everything would have been same. Diversity in India. We have seen that the people not only look different, but they also speak different language, like different sports, eat different food, belong to different regions and religions. So these are aspects of diversity. You can say these are the features of diversity. Diversity in India. Tell me, what is the first thing that strikes to your mind when I say India? Yes, did you all think about Delhi? Did you all think about national flag, national anthem? Yes, and many more things might have come across to your mind. Name the different ways in which Indians pray. Name the different clothes that Indians wear and the foods that they eat. And why do they eat different food? Here is the answer. I hope you all have thought about this. Yes, Indians pray, they go to temple, mosque, church, even the different kinds of clothes according to the regions that they live and the food that they eat, variety of food. Let us see how India became diverse, or let us learn about diversity in India. We all have seen the variety of food, festivals, religions that we celebrate, right? But do you know that so many things we also do similar? There are few common things that we do, but we do them in a very different way. Let's go back 200 years ago, where we had to travel by horse, camel, or even before that, we had to travel on foot. And while traveling, the man started settling in various places for a long time. And after that time, he had to leave the place and go to another place in search of work. Why this happened? Maybe due to famine or droughts or even due to war. So when people started settling in different places, what happened? The earlier place where they lived, where they followed the things, the culture, the tradition of that particular region was taken with them to the new place. And when they went to settled in the new place, there also they learned, they accepted the new tradition, culture of that particular region, as well as they followed the old one also. Now, this history of many places also shows the different cultures that helps to shape their life. Similarly, diversity also comes about when people adapt according to the geographical areas they live in. Now, when man was traveling from one place to another, of course, everywhere he did not get the same geographical area. Maybe he had to live near the mountains, some places where it was very cold. Some places he had to live near the coastal region where it is very hot. So he had to adapt according to the geographical areas too. So we'll study about the more about diversity in India in our next video. Now for now, Let us recap. We have learnt what is diversity, the history that makes many places shows many different cultures and that has helped to shape the life of human being, as well as man adapts according to the geographical areas that they live in. Thank you, children.